Okay, so what do we have here? This is a receiver dryer on a Jaguar, and it's not installed yet. And so this whole system, all the hoses, lines were replaced, compressors replaced, expansion valves replaced, condenser was flushed out, evaporator was flushed out, and I told the mechanic, do not open up the dryer until I get here to service it, and then at that moment we will open it up so it has minimum time to the atmosphere, because all these lines are now loaded up with atmospheric air and moisture. So if you hook up a dryer and then I don't get to it for hours or the next day, the desiccant material inside here will literally remove the moisture like a sponge and suck it all towards the desiccant, and it'll saturate the desiccant with the moisture that's in the system that was open to the atmosphere. So I hook up, I blow nitrogen, dry nitrogen through the system, and I flush the air out of the atmospheric air out of the system with some dry nitrogen, and then hook up the dryer and immediately throw it on a vacuum pump. So I'll go upon that procedure now. As you can see, this is the new style compressors that you see on earth movers with a cap on it to protect it from dust on the clutch. Only problem is you can't see the clutch and measure it. The expansion valve was really buried down in there. Not the worst thing, could have been under the dash, so that's better than nothing. So we're starting with a brand new, clean, pure, dry system on this old Jaguar. There we go. All right.